Today we are analyzing 3 special videos. Therefore, this analysis will be split into 3 major parts. Part 1.
This is how you dive through a piece of door.
Part 2. And Part 3.
Self-induced traffic collision with an inanimate object.
In this video, a
Boy
attempts to find a more convenient way to get into his bedroom. Sadly enough, it only gets him halfway through the door. No one knows what drove him to this decision. All we can conclude is that either he wanted to die or someone wanted him dead.
You wanted me to die.
Now we get to talk about the physics stuff. Our team of analysts were either eating celery or playing Fortnite, but that didn't stop Landon from figuring out all the math in less than a minute. So we are going to find out the force of the
boy.
To find the force, we're going to make some estimations. We're going to say the
Boy
is 80 kilograms, which is about 180 pounds. We're going to say his speed is about 2.5 meters per second. And the time in which he's colliding with the door is about 0.5 seconds. So I asked Landon what equation we're supposed to plug this into, and he said, in Spanish that translates to I love you, but in this situation that gives me the answer. This is the
impulse momentum theorem.
And after we plug in those numbers to the equation, we should find out that the force is 400 newtons. This next clip displays an act of betrayal on the golf thing. I don't know. So we're gonna find out this dude's speed after he gets hit by the golf cart. Yay. The golf cart speed is about 5 meters per second. We're gonna say that the golf cart is about 450 kilograms. And the guy who gets hit by the golf cart is about 80 kilograms. Because we need to find the velocity of the guy after he's hit by the golf cart, we're delving into
Conservation of momentum.
To figure this out, Landon said to plug it into this, which should then come out to this. After that, we solve for V and find out that the boy goes about 4.245 meters per second after he's hit by the golf cart. Next video. In this video, we have a classic case of centripetal force being equal to friction force. Therefore, the friction isn't strong enough to keep the kid from skidding. First, we have to set up some numbers. The kid is about 30 kilograms. He is going about 5 meters per second. And we will say the radius vector is about 10 meters. Since we're finding force of friction, you'd plug it into this equation, which would give you this. And then if you solve for force of friction, you get
75 newtons.
Alright, that wraps up the video. I'm done. If you have any further questions, ask Logan.